Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Now it is audible clearly. Some problem occurred yesterday. Okay, yeah. Now observe it here. In a previous class, anybody attending means I told no. Whenever you are writing a what in a queries and we are performing operations in a database, compulsory SQL language through we are operating only. But unfortunately, how we are learning our database concept means basic building blocks of the SQL language means every SQL language having a sub languages are there. Those are called DDL some commands, DML some commands, DCL some commands, DQL some commands. Okay, uh, DQL, DCL commands are there. But before we are starting those things practically, you must familiar data types. Already I told no yesterday. Anybody attending yesterday means they have an idea. Data type means what type of data we are storing in a feature in a table column. That is nothing but a data type. Okay, yeah. What are the data types are available in a where Oracle side means so many data types. But yesterday we are starting a char here var char2 of size, number of pkms, date. Up to this one, all are take a snap. Up to this one. Did you complete this one yesterday? Anybody newcomers are there? Take a snap this one. Hello, 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 hello. Completed. Did you complete this one yesterday? Anybody not enemies? Take a snap this one fast. Now onwards, concentrate today. Very, very important. Very, very important. Why? Because so many fellows are doesn't know difference between where char, where char2, those all the things. Today, practically, I will tell you because I'm interested in a dump function through how internally arrange a data. Also, I will show you. Then more clearly you are understandable. Okay, don't worry about the commands, but logically observe it here today. Total all the concepts. And now check it out. Concentrate here. One by one, I will tell you. Suppose what is char data type means, observe it here slowly because char, where, char2, where, char, more clearly you are learning. And now check it out. Important because regularly using. This is a table is there, no? Yeah. Suppose this is a table is there. Okay, na? Yeah. In this table, one minute only. I am also here also thinking, oh, nothing is there. Char means, oh, character data we are allowed to store. We are thinking generally, psychologically. Oh, this column we are declaring a char means only character data we are allowed to store. We are thinking. That is not true. Char or where char2, some data types are there in a where Oracle database side. In that case, not only character data, we are allowed to store alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data means always combination of characters and numbers and special symbols, anything. Suppose how you are understandable this one means, suppose for example, in my project, I try to create a table. For example, create table, you don't have an idea, just logic observed here. In this table, mail ID, best example. In this mail ID is always alphanumeric data because combination of all the things, characters, numbers, special symbols, anything also there are not? Yes. In this case, char here, size, anything I am giving. For example, okay, yeah. Now observe it here. Suppose one mail ID I try to store. Don't write it, just observe it logically. Now observe it here. Now here I try to store data like this in a feature you are familiar. Here suppose ABC, don't write it. Okay, na? Underscore XYZ 1, 2, 3. Okay, anything, just roughly. @gmail.com. I'm giving, for example. One employee mail ID I try to store. In this case, you are observing or not. Now here, check it out. Observe it here. Yes. In this case, now here, select star from table name. Okay, in a future, select insert, update, delete. You have an idea. Don't worry. Now observe it here. Only observe it here. Here. In this column, in this column, we are storing a what? This is a character. This is a number. This is a underscore special symbol. This is @ dot special symbols. That's why combination of all the things is also called as what? Alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data. That's why always by using a what cat data type, we can also store alphanumeric data, not only character, alphanumeric data also possible. That is fixed length alphanumeric data. What is variable length? What is fixed length? Where cat2 today we are starting means you are understandable. But first it is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. Bytes means each and every character is a 1 byte in Oracle. 2 bytes in a MySQL server, this is different. Okay, SQL server, MySQL, Oracle is a slight differences are there in this case. But Oracle side, what they are telling me is Oracle Corporation, each and every character is a 1 byte by default. Each and every symbol is a 1 byte. Each and every space is a 1 byte only. That's why always cat data type is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. Okay, na? That is a definition. That alphanumeric data definition purpose I am telling like this. Here, observe here, char, it is used to store. What is fixed length? The next I will tell you, don't worry. It is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. That is the original definition. Don't write it, just observe here. Suppose, observe here, concentrate here. Now check it out. Actually, how you are declaring a what a cat data type in a Oracle side means exact opposite of the C language, Java language. Observe it here. In a C language, you have an idea how you are declaring a what variables. Suppose left hand side data type you are using. Java also same thing, no? Yeah. Right hand side variable. This is everyone knows. Now here check it out. Concentrate here. Here left hand side variable, data type, and right hand side variable. Integer is a data type. In a future, oh, maybe in this variable we are storing a what integers. That's why they are declaring like this only. But unfortunately, Oracle side, exact opposite syntax. Left hand side, observe here, Oracle side is left hand side data type, variable. Right hand side data type, opposite. Oracle side. Now, but unfortunately, SQL language side, variable is not there. That's why column name. Here data type we are using only. Okay, yeah, that's why what is the syntax of the where any data type means here char means, for example, here column name first left hand side, column name, here space, here char. Okay, here some size we are using in a number. But unfortunately, what is the maximum size of the char data type? Anybody have an idea? Here size is there. Here 2 means 2 bytes, 5 means 5 bytes, 10 means 10 bytes. Up to that one we are allowed to store. Okay, yeah. But what is the maximum size? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling only what is the maximum size means up to 2000 bytes. Correct. In a olden days 256 bytes, but nowadays 7.0 onwards they are changing a what size also. What is the maximum size of the cat data type? Up to 2000 bytes. More than 2000 bytes you want means here where some data types are there. I will tell you, don't worry. But before that one, column name, here char of size. Okay, now that's why here syntax like this. Suppose what is my doubt is, suppose I am not declaring any size. What happened? Anybody tell me? I will show you practically, but observe here 1 minute only. Here, this a table is there, for example. Here, test one is a table. In this table, I'm declaring a what one column, for example. Here, I'm declaring a what, which one? Here, char is a data type. Here, char data type, I'm giving a what? A size 3 means 3 bytes, 5 means 5 bytes, okay. But I'm not interested to declare a char is a size. I am not interested. Now, how many bytes I try to store? Anybody tell me? Very good. One fellow is telling great. By default, 1 byte. Correct. Here, 1 byte. Here, now here always, suppose I'm a end user, I try to store X. Possible? Possible. Okay, working. Suppose XY possible? Not possible. These are 2 bytes. No? Yeah. A is possible? Yes, possible. 1 byte. AB is possible? No, not possible. That's why by default, char data type having a what? 1 byte. What is the meaning of this one? If you are not specifying any size means by default, 1 byte is there. Suppose for example, here in a previous case size I am giving 30 means up to 30 we are allowed to store. More than 30 means in this case not possible. Okay, na? Yeah. And now observe here. Concentrate here. Now create table. Don't write it here. Create table. You don't have an idea. Also logic observe here. Here table test one. Here in a column, for example, in a feature here char. Don't write it. Okay, just the idea purpose only I'm showing. Up to now syntax you don't have an idea. Now insert into table name test one. Here values. I try to here store a what? Here x, y, 2 bytes I try to store. Impossible. Observe here. Here 2 bytes, no, x, y means x is a 1 byte, y is a 1 byte. Each character is a 1 byte. Oracle said I told you. Here observe error. Here maximum 1 byte. Actually 2 bytes you are trying to store. That's why error more clearly server returns a error. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, suppose I try to use x. Possible? Possible. Yes. 1 byte possible or not? Yes, here, observe here. That's why if you are not specifying a what, any size means automatically by default, how many bytes? 1 byte. Up to this one, you are understandable. But why so many developers or students are not interested to use char data type? Means one problem is there. I will tell you. Memory management. That is maybe so many fellows having idea. Up to this one, all are understandable. Very easy. No? 1 minute observed here. It is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data in bytes. Here, observe it here. Syntax like this. Here, column name, char size, maximum size of the char data type is up to 2000 bytes. In Oracle, by default, char data type having 1 byte. First, take a snap this one. Maybe newcomers are there. Rohin, you are telling correct. Take a snap. Okay, anybody non-technical persons are there, better to take a snap up to some stage. Okay, na? E-reading. Okay. This one also take a snap. In byte Oracle by default char data type having 1 byte. Now concentrate again. 10 minutes. Concentrate 10 minutes. Why? Because something is there. Now today, practically your understandable difference between char and where char to. Then only where char I will tell you. First, practically better. Why so many fellows are not interested to use a char data type? Me slowly observe it here. Very, 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 very important. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Observe it here. Suppose test is a table. Okay. In this test table, slowly observe it here. Practically also I will show you. First observe it here. Test is a table. Easily understandable. Observe it here. Name is a column. For example, your imagination. In this column, I'm interested to declare char is a data type. Okay? Yeah. But I am interested to use 10 bytes. Okay. For example, imagination. 10 bytes I am declaring. Practically I will show you. But first observe it here. 10 bytes means what they are telling Oracle Corporation. Yes, internally 10 bytes of memory is allocated. They are telling. Okay, fine. Suppose this is a memory in a database side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Observe it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, for example, okay, yeah. 10 means 10 bytes of memory is internal allocated. Now, I am a data entry operator. I try to store some data into where this table. Suppose my name Murali. Murali, I try to store. Okay, yeah. For example, character data. Murali means okay. How many bytes? This name? Yes, Murali. Okay, 6 bytes. Okay, yeah. Here, observe here. Internally, it will be storing Murali. Okay, yeah. How many bytes are wasted? Very good. Yes, everyone telling very easy. Now 4 bytes are wasted in this example side. That's why what you are understandable based on this diagram very easy. Whenever we are using a what? Less number of bytes we are trying to store. Less number of bytes. More bytes means not working. Observe it here. Whenever we are declaring a char data type, what is the biggest problem is memory management. Whenever we are specifying in a size, suppose 10 bytes, 20 bytes like this, but you are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in declaration, then some remaining bytes are wasted or not. In this example, side 10 bytes I am declaring, but I try to store only my name only 6 bytes, but remaining 4 bytes disk space is wasted. Okay, na? Understood this one? But observe here, observe here, observe here. Why I am drawing the diagram is easy also means observe here. Now, very interesting concept is there. Suppose here in place of char, next var char 2, where char, some data types are there. Don't worry. That is very full length alphanumeric data. In that case, also you are declaring a 10 bytes, for example. Whenever you are declaring like this, what they are telling, yes, here also 10 means 10 bytes are allocated. Okay, fine. But I try to store a what here? Less number of bytes, morally, my name, for example. Here, remaining bytes are never wasted. This is automatically deallocated. They are telling only. That is the beauty of the where char 2, which data type is available, which data type is where not available. I will tell you, don't worry. First, observe it here. Another data types are there where char 2 next only. Don't worry. Whenever we are trying to declare same like a character size, same thing I am giving. In that case, less number of bytes I try to store than the declaration in a where char2 side. Then remaining bytes are never wasted. That remaining bytes are automatically deallocated. They are telling only Oracle Corporation. I'm confusing. Really, this is correct or not? I'm confusing only. Why? Because I'm interested to view practically, then only I'm satisfied. Oh, maybe this is automatically deallocated or not. How it will be deallocated, nobody knows. But really, remaining bytes are never wasted. I want to view. Then only we are satisfied only. And now, how can I miss? I will tell you practically. Now check it out. Very interesting, very important. Suppose, don't write it. Just observe it here. Next, another data type is there. One of these days, don't write it. Not completed care, but just difference observed here. Suppose I try to create a table. 1 minute observe here. Or 5 minutes concentrate. Slowly I will tell you. Suppose I try to create a table by using char data type. Same table I try to create a what, where char2 or where char data types are there next. Okay. Then what happened, observe it here. Don't write it practically, because practical up to now you don't have an idea. DDL onwards you have an idea, but here I want logically concepts. Suppose, for example, now check it out. I try to create a table. Create table name test. Okay, here name is a column is there. Here char is a data type, for example. Don't write it. Here 10 is a size I'm interested. Okay, same like a diagram. Okay, for example, just I'm testing. Now in a future you are also inserting a data like this. Some commands are there. Now logically observe it here. Suppose I try to insert a data Murali, my name always interested. Now I try to insert 6 bytes only. Murali means 6 bytes. No? Yeah, here like this. Now, but unfortunately, whenever we are viewing a table, I am also here also confusing. It is not visible. Remaining bytes are wasted. They are telling also not visible. You are observing or not. Morally is displayed. Okay, that's all. Here 10 bytes I am declaring, but morally my name I am storing 6 bytes. Then automatically it will be displayed. But I am a developer. I never satisfied like this. I am observing a table or anything means I don't know. But unfortunately, every author writing about char means remaining bytes are wasted, where char2 or where char next is there. Those data type means remaining bytes are never wasted, they are telling. But how can I observe that concept means some other knowledge is required. What is that one means? Suppose I am a good experienced person means I want to identifying a difference between where char and where char data type means simple technique is there. In a C language functions you have an idea. Printf, scanf, okay. Yeah, same like Oracle provided a beautiful function. Dump is a function. In a real time, through this dump function, we are viewing about how internally bytes are allocated. Okay, dump function always ASCII values, it will be written, not a problem. At least we are viewing oh, maybe internally these many bytes are wasted. This is the way it will be arranged. Understandable. Now, suppose I'm experienced person. In a future, you are also experienced person. You are interested to test by using a dump function testing. Select dump is a function is there. In this one, name is a column is there. Okay, na? Yeah. From what is the table? Test. Now screen observe it. ASCII values only it will be displayed. Okay, na? Don't worry this one. Here onwards observe it here. Okay. Yes. Internally, Murali is arranged in a way like this. 109, 117. What is this one? I will tell you. 114, 97, 108, 105. Okay, na? Yeah. Here 32, 32, 32, 32. What is this one means? Internally, this is a memory. Okay. Yes, internally your Murali is a data is storing here only. But dump function returns that not a character, that ASCII values only it will be returned. That's why here, oh, M ASCII value is a what? 109. U ASCII value, R ASCII value, small a means 97. Yeah, ASCII value, L ASCII value, I ASCII value like this. Morally is storing a what like this. But 32, 32, 32, 32 means any experienced person is there in our class. What is the ASCII value of 32? Very good. One fellow is telling only blank space. Correct. Yes. That's why how many 32s are there? Here 4 32s are there. That's why 4 bytes are wasted or not. Oh, maybe internally blank spaces are there or not. Yes. Because server returns a ASCII value means, oh, maybe something is there or not. Yes, here. That's why 4 bytes are wasted. Okay. Yeah. Suppose. Okay. Understood? Yes, very good. Now check it out. Check it out. Concentrate. Now I try to declare same column by using varchar2. Next varchar2 is there. Up to now you don't have an idea. Oh, maybe some data type is there, variable length alphanumeric data. Observe it here. Now observe it here. I try to create a table. Create table. First logically observe it here. What difference? Test 1. Here name is a column. Here varchar2. What is varchar2 next? Don't worry. Okay, just for example, some data type is there. Here also 10 bytes I'm declaring. Okay, here also I'm declaring a what? A 10 bytes. Okay, yeah. Now I try to insert a data. Same like a previous case. Insert into test 1. What is insert into? You don't have an idea, but oh, logical observe here. Oh, something is there. Now here, Murali, my name, I try to insert. But in this case also, I try to insert here my name. Yes, whenever I am observing a what, a table, automatically it is displayed as a what, normal data. Okay, but I am an experienced person, I never satisfied. Oh, this is what remaining bytes are never wasted, they are telling only, but I want to view. I want to identify internal memory management means which function through I am testing. Very good. Dump is a function through. Here, observe here, dump is a function through I try to test. How I am testing means, observe here, concentrate here, concentrate here. Now, I try to test like this, select. How internally bytes are arranged means dump is a function through some function. Here, name is a column. From, what is the table? Test 1. Whenever I am writing like this, automatically here screen observe, very good. Here onwards observe here. What is length and all this thing you don't have an idea. But first this one observe it here. 109, 117, 114, 97, 108, 105 is there. In this case, observe here M, U, R, A, L, I. Okay, yeah. Murali, my name, whatever internally there, that ASCII value is written by dump function. That's why Murali only storing, but here 32, 32, 32 is not there. Here spaces are not there. That is not visible, also not there. That's why remaining bytes are never wasted or not automatically deallocated. How it is deallocated, nobody knows. So they are telling what is disk space is never wasted when we are using a varchar2 or varchar. Okay, yeah. What is varchar? What is varchar2? Also difference is there, but first observe here. Okay, yeah. This is the way. That's why whenever we are using a what, a varchar2, varchar data type in all databases, always remaining bytes are never wasted or not. Very good. When we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in declaration. Okay, na? Yeah. Suppose again 5 minutes observe here. Suppose you are a Java programmer or Python programmer or AI programmer. You are not good at what, dump, those type of functions. You are not an experienced person like me. Then you are interested to test. Possible. Another thing is there. What is that one means? Simple. Another technique is there. 1 minute observe here. Through this one easy. Actually, C language, one function is there. If you want to find out total length of the string means just one function. What is that one? strlen is a function is there. C language. This function string length is a function is there. Yeah. This function always returns total length of the string including spaces. Same like a C language string length function. Oracle provided a what? Another function. What is that one? Length is a function. Oh, maybe through this one easily understandable. Length is a function through also fresher level newcomer interested to check possible. Length function always returns what Oracle said length function is there. This function always returns a total length of the string including spaces. Through this function also you are interested to test. How means? Observe here, concentrate. Maybe you are telling a correct answers now. Yeah. Test a table, observe here. This is a character. How many bytes I'm declaring? 10 bytes. Okay. Yeah. Test a table. Test a table. A character. Okay. Observe it here. Select star from test table. Okay. In this table, you are observing or not in a previous case, I am declaring a char data type 10 bytes. Now here internally, how it will be allocated? Internal char. Already have an idea? Yeah. Murali. Okay. Murali is storing here. Okay. Yeah, like this. Here, how many bytes? 6 bytes plus 4 blank spaces are there. No, already I told no, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why 6 plus this total length, the total memory length, I want to find out. 6 plus 4. How much? Blank space, including spaces. Here 10. That's why I try to interested to test. I may pressure level means select. Length is a function. Okay, I'm testing through that one name column. From what is the table? Test. What is the output? 10. Why? Because 10 I am declaring. No, that's why. Oh, maybe Murali is there plus 4 bytes are there. That's why 6 plus 4, 10 it will be returned. But test one table length. Anybody tell me? Test one table. I try to declare a what? Where cat to. Here also 10 I am giving. Now, but I try to interested to test. Here test one. I am typing only. Now what is the output? Anybody tell me? Anybody guess it logically? Logically. Yes, you are telling, I think. Test one table is a where cat2 data type. Very good. One fellow is telling only Pandu. You are telling 100% correct. Okay. Sureka, you are telling correct. Here 6. Why? Because always morally is a 6 bytes are there. No? Yeah. Murali. My name is a what? 6 bytes. Remaining 4 bytes are not there. That's why 6 it will be returned. If where cat2 automatically deallocates remaining bytes mix. Okay. 10 means wrong one. Okay. Very good. 6 is the correct one. Very good. Beauty of the where this function. Observe here. That's why you are interested to check how internally bytes are arranged. Means you are experienced person means dump function. Otherwise, you are a first time newcomer means length function through also possible or not. Understood? Okay, fine. But unfortunately, here char we are starting now, but unfortunately, Oracle Corporation reverse side they are telling blank padded mechanism. Some concept is there, that is they are telling, but unfortunately that is the way you are not learning also not a problem, because in this experience concept observed here, actually everyone telling about whenever we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration in the char data type, remaining bytes are never wasted. Sorry, remaining bytes are wasted. They are telling that is correct really, but Oracle Corporation slight difference terminology in a Oracle Corporation book side they are giving only. That is also I am copying only. Why? Because maybe some blank padded mechanism, some pressure level interview side they are asking only. Suppose what they are telling slight difference. 1 minute observe here. Char data type. Up to now where char 2 I am not starting. Okay, char data type side. This is way Oracle Corporation explaining. Same thing, but slight difference they are telling. Observe here. This is a test, is a table. For example, this is a name, is a column. In this name column, char is a data type is there. Here, char is a data type. Here, I am declaring a what? 10 bytes. But first, they are not giving a memory management 10, means 10 bytes. But first, they're storing a data like this here. Suppose whenever they are trying to store less number of bytes, what happened means they are telling like this. Whenever they are trying to store less number of bytes in a database table, then first that bytes are arranged internally, they are telling. Observe it here, internal memory management side here. Oh, maybe less number of bytes means just automatically the data is storing, they are telling only. Okay, yeah, Murali, same thing, but slight difference. Observe here. Now they are telling about, whenever we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration, then first the data is storing in a memory. But remaining byte side here 10 is there, no? But how many bytes are filled? 6. But remaining byte side automatically Oracle server add a blank spaces at the end of the string in place of remaining bytes. Observe here. How many blank spaces? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way they're explaining only. Now here, maybe internally what happened, nobody knows, but they are telling like this. Here, this is called a blank padded mechanism. Blank padded means padding means adding, adding about blank spaces at the end of the string in place of remaining bytes. That is called blank padded mechanism. Blank padded mechanism. Okay, yeah, that's why whenever we are using a what a cat data type, blank padded mechanism is there, they are telling. But what is blank padded mechanism we are searching means this one they are telling only. When we are trying to store less number of bytes, more number of bytes not working, less number of bytes than the dead maximum size specified in a declaration, then Oracle server internally automatically allocates number of bytes in place of remaining bytes only. Now here, yes, at the end of the string, that is called blank padded mechanism, adding a blank spaces in place of remaining bytes at the end of the string. Okay, yeah, right hand side. Take a snap this one. Okay, now observe here, same theory they are providing only. Now here, 1 minute, observe here, observe here, you are reading this one means in Oracle, whenever we are using cat data type and also when we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in cat data type, then Oracle server internally automatically adds blank spaces in place of remaining bytes at the end of this string. This is called blank padded mechanism. Okay, take a snap this one. Okay, now I will tell you where cat to. Here, this very interesting. Now observe here, this different. Okay, logically I'm telling, okay, fine. But first observe here. Actually, where care also there. After the where cat to, where care I will tell you. First observe. Actually, generally, if you want to store in a character data, alphanumeric data means where cat to is a regularly used concept in a Oracle. But what is where cat2 data type means? Same like a character data type, but it is used to store variable length alphanumeric data in bytes. What is variable length means? I will tell you, don't worry. It is used to store variable length alphanumeric data in bytes. Okay, observe here. But Oracle 7.0 before 6.0, 5.0, 5.1, 3.0, these type of version side olden days where cat 2 is not there, only where car only available. But nowadays Oracle 7.0 is a version is there. Oracle 7.0 is a version is there. In this version onwards, varchar data type can be changed into where varchar2. Why and what is that one? I will tell you. Don't worry. Only Oracle 7.0 version onwards only where cat2 data type is available in a Oracle. That's why it is used to store variable length alphanumeric data in bytes. Observe here, 1 minute only here where cat2 here size. Here Oracle 7.0 introduced where cat2 data type. It is used to store variable length alphanumeric data in bytes up to now. Okay, but unfortunately, screen observe. What is the syntax they are providing means here remaining bytes are not wasted, but another thing is also there. I will tell you again something. Column name here. What is the syntax here? Varchar2. Here size. What is the maximum size specified in a where to data type? Anybody have an idea? SQL side. PLSQL slight difference or SQL side. Very good. What is the maximum size supported by var_cat2 data type? Means a beautiful concept. Up to 4,000 bytes. Char means only 2,000 bytes, but this is what? Up to 4,000 bytes. More than 4,000 bytes means another data type is there. Don't worry. That is never popular long, and also CLOB they are using nowadays terabytes of data. But first observe here. Var_cat2 maximum size is up to 4,000 bytes of alphanumeric data. This is everyone knows, but I am not giving any size means what happened. Observe it here. Now check it out. Here 1 minute only. Here call of them var_cat2 size. Maximum size of the var_cat2 data type is up to 4,000 bytes. Okay. Yeah, very good. One fellow is telling. Take a snap this one. Okay, na? Yeah. Now observe it here. One interesting thing I will ask now. You are telling correct answer is really great. Yeah. Now observe it here. I try to declare create table name K1 anything. In a previous case, name is a column, char data type I am told no. Yeah. In that case, size I am not giving. Same like here, size I am not giving means what is the char data type 1 byte? No. Yeah. Same like here also I am not interested to give size. Where char2 like this. What is the default size? Anybody tell me in our class? Anybody tell me? Same like a cat data type, I am not giving any size in a where cat2 declaration. What is the default byte? Very good. All students are telling a what wrong answer. I am a first time newcomer, you are a first time newcomer. We are thinking of what? 1 byte we are thinking, okay, generally, but it won't work. It won't work. Default size is not there in a where cat2 data type side. That's why here not a 1 byte. Don't tell 1 byte only. Okay, so many others also writing a mistaken only 1 byte, but it won't work. Compulsory size in a where cat2 side. That's why experience is required. That's why declaration side you are observing or not where cat2 of size they are giving. Syntax side also. Without using size, it won't work in a Oracle SQL language side. PLSQL, that is a what a bind variable side without using that. Some other thing is different, but here SQL side compulsory size we are giving. You are not giving any size means it won't work. Suppose you want 1 byte means 1 is the size you are giving. Suppose observe here where cat2 it won't work. It won't work. Missing left parenthesis. Suppose here some fellows are Murali sir, you are not giving a what parenthesis. That's why maybe not working. Suppose I am giving a parenthesis also. It won't work. Again, now here 1 byte I try to declare, then only 1. Yes, correct. 1 byte you are giving means 1. You are interested to store 1 byte means 1 you are giving. Otherwise, it won't work. That's why default size is not there in a where cat2 data type. Again, another more bytes. How can I store? What is that one? Those all the things in a errors, all the things. Tomorrow I will tell you another class is there. Tomorrow will continue. Don't miss those classes. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you.